to another YouTube video. Now it's the second episode of the Match Attax pack opening. Unfortunately this isn't 7 cards, it's 5 cards, but who cares? So, without further ado, let's get into this pack. Shinies until lost, obviously. So, we have got the 3 digital packet. Nice. Then we've got Laporte for Manchester City. Then we've got this really big name player from Arsenal. Then we've got Hogg. And then we've got Davy Proper. And then we've got the Liverpool badge with all the names where they've come and that, as you can see. So I know this is short. I know this is a short video, but it's 5 cards per pack. With this one, it's not 7, but yeah. So that's the end of the video. Remember to smash that subscribe button, like the video, turn those notifications on, and leave a comment. Now this is just a quick question. It will be in the description, but in your opinion, who do you think's the best player in the world? Put down in the comment section. I will be putting that question in the description. And yeah, good night. Like the video, subscribe, and turn